Hey guys, so the other week we had a member post that he needed help making this shape here in the Shapr, and I posted the video, but some people wanted a deeper explanation, so I'm gonna go ahead and redo that right now here in Shapr. So we're gonna go ahead and try to follow that shape. Don't worry about the dimensions in this case. This is just mainly to show you the process, but let's go ahead and just even everything out. All right, and we are gonna make that body over there just to make it look similar. Okay, and we're going to rotate that on the edge there, let's say 10 degrees. Okay, and we can just go ahead and, well, I guess we can. Let's go ahead and make a line there first. There we go. Okay, now we can extrude that. Okay, and what we need to do is, first of all, we need to chamfer this edge, if that's fine with you, or you can always rotate it using the transform rotate tool and just use this edge and rotate further. But anyways, now we need to use that same rotate move tool, and we just move this back there. And it helps if these two bodies are separate. Obviously, if they were as one piece, it wouldn't let us move just that corner because it would drag this line as well. But since it's separate, it let us move it. Now we simply union the pieces together. Let's hide that sketch, and we can now fillet this edge there to whatever we think looks good. So let's say that way, and we basically have that edge. All right, hope you guys learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this was a really short one, but I couldn't incorporate it into a larger tutorial, so I felt like I had to make it just a short one. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Here at Shapr3D, our goal is to inspire and empower you to create your own amazing projects. Please support our work so that we can keep doing it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more.